Hello friends, I'm Neha and once again welcome back to my channel about technology. In our today's video tutorial, I'll be discussing the method to partition hard drive in Windows 10. And we'll also learn the method to reverse the partition. Well, you cannot store all your stuff such as operating system, photos, documents and other software in one place. Even if you place all your stuff in one place and if the corresponding drive get corrupted, all your data will get lost. So we must partition the hard drive so that even one drive get corrupted, the data at other drives are safe. So to organize the things properly, we need to partition the hard drive. So let's switch on to our system. Now let's start creating a new volume. Open the File Explorer window and in the navigation pane, right click on this PC. From the displayed result, click on Manage. It will open a computer management app where in the navigation pane you have to explore storage and then click on Disk Management. It will provide you a list of all the partitions present on your hard drive. As you can see, my hard drive is parted into drive C, drive D, drive E and drive F. Your next move is to choose a drive that has ample of space for you to shrink more volume for your new partition. It is not a good idea to choose drive C as it has operating system and other important files that are required for booting up your system. So apart from drive C, I have two partitions with ample of space, that is drive D and drive E. I will choose drive E to shrink volume for my new partition. So I'll right click on E and from the displayed menu I have to click on Shrink Volume. It will pop up a shrink window where you have to specify how much amount you want to shrink in MBs. I think 5000 MBs, that is approximately equal to 5 GB, will do for me. Now the window is showing total size before shrink, total size after shrink and size still available for shrinking. Now click on Shrink button to shrink space for your new volume. You can notice a new volume has been created, but before you can use it, you have to format it. So right click on the newly created volume and click on New Simple Volume. This will open a wizard that will help you to create and format your new volume on disk. Click on Next to start the wizard. Next, you again have to specify the size that you want to shrink for your new volume. As it is already specified and I am finding it correct, so I'll click on Next. Then you have to assign the letter to your drive. Remember, you choose the letter that has not yet been allotted to any other drive. So, I'll choose letter G and click on Next. Here you can set the file system and even you can name the new volume. So I'll name it as Photos as I'll be keeping photos in it. After specifying the name, just click on Next. This window shows all your specification. If you find it okay, then click on Finish, else you can go back and change the specification. As all the specifications are correct, so I'll click on Finish. You can notice all your specification has been processed and a new volume is created successfully. As we have finished partitioning a drive successfully, now let us learn reverse partitioning. To revert the partition, right click on the newly parted drive and then click on Delete Volume. Click on Yes and this would delete all the specifications that you have provided while setting the partition. Now right click on the parent drive and click on Extend Volume. This will again come up with the wizard. So click on Next to start the wizard. Here you have to select the disk which you want to extend. As we have only parted one disk from the parent drive, so it is showing only one disk. Click on Next and then click on Finish. You can notice the parent drive is again extended to its full volume as it was before shrinking. So this is how you can partition a hard drive and revert the partition back. For more description and explanatory screenshot, you can refer our official website qhow.com. I had provided URL for the same in the description below. Please like and share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel about technology. Keep checking the channel for further updates and put your comment and queries in the section below. We'll be back again soon with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.